I'm BH's Kate.
And I'm BH's Nadine.
And we're here with Dan Con, who is the Wellness Director of the Collective Wellness Group. And we're about to do Orangetheory. So Dan, tell us what it's about.
So Orangetheory is a heart rate based interval training system. So when you're actually training, if you guys have done it before, you can actually see up on the screen is your heart rate, and it tells you what your max heart rate is. And what you're trying to do, there's 5 different zones, and you're actually trying to get into the orange zone. That's where you're going to get a splat point. Once you get into that zone, you're around about 84% of your max heart rate, which means you can train for an hour and actually burns for 36 hours post exercise. But inside the session, there's going to be a running component, which is the most functional movement we can do. It's going to be a rowing component, which is the water rollers, which are quite new, and also a floor component where you're going to do some strength and some functional movement as well. So we've got pretty much everything in there.
We're just about to head in to start the class and we're both super nervous.
I'm really scared. I've never done a class like this before, but I do boot camp about 3 times a week.
You'll be fine.
I'll be fine.
You'll be fine. I do go to the gym a lot as well, but this class is something completely different and it's gonna be great. It's really exciting, but I'm still nervous.
Oh, you guys are gonna enjoy watching us sweat. We just finished our Orangetheory session and we are live.
It's really great music. It was a great environment. We were sweating it out, but we're having a really good time.
And the great thing is you can actually try it for free, so you don't have to pay anything before you give it a go. And if you like it, you can come back.
Yeah, which we will be doing. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for our next video. Make sure you subscribe, and if you've got any questions, leave it in the comments below. Bye.